Good morning all, we are in dark and grey Crawley today, local, for our first job. We're doing a DPF and engine clean service on this Volvo C30. Client came to us with a fault for the DPF. Having done a diagnosis, we couldn't actually find anything wrong with the vehicle other than the DPF had clogged up a bit. And he happened to mention that he'd recently had a service done, and the gut feeling is that wrong oil might have been used, and that's actually the cause for the DPF to clog up. So we've done an engine clean, 3-stage engine clean service, and we're just completing a DPF clean service at the moment. You can see all the smoke coming out there, that's cleaning out the soot, and a little bit of residue on the floor that will melt away over the next couple of hours. Normally we collect that in a container if required, but the customer was quite happy on his driveway for that to fall out. So yeah, just this is a bit different because it's the diagnosis is likely incorrect oil use. So I thought I'd do a video on this one. There's many reasons why a DPF clogs up. The key to a DPF, a professional DPF clean, is diagnosing correctly. So if you have your DPF problems at all, any carbon cleaning requirements, need assistance with the correct diagnosis, you know where we are, give us a shout. Have a great day.